Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a smart home system with Philips Hue, complete guide step by step clearly. To build a smart home system with Philips Hue, start by gathering all necessary components, including Philips Hue bulbs, a Hue bridge, and the Philips Hue app. Begin by installing the Philips Hue bulbs in your desired light fixtures. Ensure the fixtures are turned off before replacing existing bulbs with the Hue bulbs. Once the bulbs are in place, connect the Hue bridge to your Wi-Fi router using the provided Ethernet cable. Plug in the Hue bridge to a power source and wait for the lights on the bridge to indicate it is ready. Download the Philips Hue app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your smartphone or tablet. Open the app and create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the prompts to connect the app to your Hue bridge. The app should automatically detect your Hue bridge if it is on the same Wi-Fi network. Once connected, you'll see an option to add bulbs to your system. Tap the option to discover your Hue bulbs. The app will search for the bulbs installed in your fixtures and display them when found. Assign names to each bulb for easier identification, like living room or bedroom. Now, create rooms or zones within the app to organize your bulbs based on their location. Once your bulbs are set up, explore the different control options within the app. You can dim the lights, change colors, or set schedules for when the lights should turn on and off. Take advantage of the scenes feature to set specific moods, such as relax or focus. To enhance your smart home experience, consider link your Philips Hue system with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple HomeKit for voice control. Follow the specific instructions in the app to connect these services to your Hue system. Enjoy controlling your lights with simple voice commands or through the app. Experiment with automation settings to have your lights respond to triggers like sunrise or sunset. As you become more familiar with your Philips Hue system, consider adding more bulbs or compatible smart devices to expand your smart home. With these steps, you've successfully built a smart home system with Philips Hue. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.